Then when we start charging, when this one is fully charged, it moves to the next one.
Let me see if this one has lights. It doesn't have. Sorry. It doesn't have a chip.
Okay.
Stick. This is this thing. The part.
Okay.
I'm owning the part.
Okay.
Yes.
The camera is moving already.
Yes. English next. Agreed.
Region, I think it's Nigeria.
You think Nigeria is here? Nigeria is not here. Just
They will have it.
Nigeria.
Nigeria will be there
Okay, let's search.
for N.
No, something like Nigeria.
It's still Nigeria, yeah.
You just go for United States.
It's not Nigeria, yeah.
It's not Nigeria.
Our country.
South Africa is there, all of them is there. As a matter of fact, one man came to this my office from Egypt.
Which United States?
Or which of them? United Kingdom or
United States.
United States.
Either United States or United Kingdom. Any of the two. That's language, right? He's talking about language. Yeah, United Kingdom is United States is okay.
Did you use Wi-Fi? Connect it to my own.
No, just in case. I don't think. No, I don't. No network.
No, it's requested for. Or it's requesting for.
Put this one.